Are you interested in creating your own signature scent or a unique homemade gift? You can easily make exciting fragrances using ingredients from the grocery store. Start by learning about the different scent notes. Top notes, like basil and grapefruit, are what you smell first but fade quickly. Middle notes, such as jasmine and cinnamon, form the fragrance's core, and base notes, like sandalwood and vanilla, give the scent longevity. The ideal blending ratio is 30% top notes, 50% middle notes, and 20% base notes, mixed into a carrier oil like jojoba or sweet almond. You can use high-proof vodka to help merge the ingredients, or melted beeswax for solid perfumes. Be sure to store your creations in dark glass containers to protect them from light. For best results, experiment with your favorite scents. Consider using a preservative like vitamin E and let your mixture sit in a cool, dark place for a week or two before adjusting the strength as needed.